look at this set. It's on some dancing arrangement. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, standing in a row. A is 1 plus 1, B is 2. So starting position is like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And then after the step 1, what happens? H is coming in front of A. G is coming in front of B. F is coming in front of C. And G is coming in front of D. Position at 8, 7, 6, 5 comes and stand opposite to the 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 2, person opposite to the person in place 1 takes 2. So now after this is after step 1. This is starting. After step 1. After step 2, what it will become? A, H, B, G, C, F. Sorry, this was E. C, F, D, E, which is the end of round 1. Clear? So if I make a situation like this, starting position, now I'll make it table. Starting position, end of round 1, end of round 2, end of round 3. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let me write the names over here. Starting round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. Starting, I know. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. After round 1, A, this one comes to the second position. A remains as A. H comes here. Then B falls down. G comes here. Then C falls down. F comes here. Then D falls down. E comes here. Okay. Similarly, now in the next step 1, after round 1 to step 1, E will be opposite A. So at the end of round 2, E will be next to A. D will be opposite H. So D will be next to H. F will be opposite B. So B followed by F. And then E will be opposite G. No, C was opposite G. So now C will be next to G. Round 3. Now A was opposite C. So C will be next to A. G was opposite E. G will be next to E. F was opposite H. F will be next to H. And B was opposite D. So B will be next to D. That will be end of round 3. And finally, end of round 4. B was opposite A after the step 1 of round 3. End of round 3 is step 1 of round 4 done. B will be opposite A. So now A followed by B. C followed by D. E followed by F. G followed by H. Absolutely like starting. So after 4 rounds, they will be similar to starting. Clear? So first problem. How many times step 1 and step 2 to be performed before the sequence ends? We have got 4 rounds are required. Option B. Next. At which pace Cheryl before penultimate round starts? Penultimate round means round 3. So before round 3 starts, that means end of round 2, Cheryl was at 8th position. Option A. Okay. Next. How many members come to their original position at least once before they all come to their original position? First of all, A is always there in the original position. First of all, that is A. B never came here. C never came here. D came here once. E never came here. F came here 3 times. G came here once. H never came here. So it is A, D, F, and G. 4. Next. The next sequence is designed in the following way. The dancer break into 2 rows of 4 each. Then they follow step 1 and step 2 into different rows simultaneously. In how many rounds this sequence will end? The sequence ends when all the dancers attain their original position. Two rows of 4 each. So now it will be done in a half way. So basically it will be done in this way. A, B, C, D. Starting. End of round 1. A, B, B, C. End of round 2. A, C, D, B. End of round 3. A, B, C, D. Yeah, in 3 rounds it will be done.